Welcome back to another episode of Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from Dragon, and also known as Dragon Model Lines. This is Modern Infantry Fire Support Weapons, and this is from the 135 scale Quartermaster series. So here on the front of the box, we can see here various items in illustration form. If we continue on the sides of the box here, we can see other models in the series, barcode, a little bit more information there in various languages. On the edges, we can see there here number 3808, another illustration. On this side, a little bit more information, again, in various languages. And this is from 1994 with some of the contact information at the time. If we go ahead and open this, let's see what's inside here. Now, to be honest, some of these parts have actually been put into use and taken off the tree. Actually, you can actually see some of the tripods. The level of detail there, I have them put inside this comic book bag. Here you can see in another comic book bag more of the parts on the trees. Go ahead and carefully take these out. But you can see there the level of molding, and you can see each one is identified for easy reference. You can see I've actually put some of these into use on various models, but you can see where they were placed on the tree. And we'll go back to the box in a moment for more reference. But you can see here they give you 2 trees of each. So this one actually does have the majority of the parts on it. So that's kind of cool. So continuing, if we look on the back of the box, you can see here the inventory of the various parts. A lot are doubled up. Some do require some assembly, as you can see. And there are no instructions. This is basically it for your instructions. But taking a very quick look at Modern Infantry Fire Support Weapons from Dragon, and this is the 1994 version. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos, as well as a selection of book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.